Hi, these are the Adidas Ultraboost Web DNA running/lifestyle shoes. Let's have a look at them. So here it is from all the angles. Now, when Adidas markets this as running/lifestyle, what they actually mean is that these are sneakers. They are like almost every other shoe in the Adidas Ultraboost lineup. They are meant for running, but they are not meant for serious running like the Adidas Adizero, Adios Pro shoes, the Takumi San, and all those. These are more of lifestyle sneakers, and that reflects in their design. These are the Adidas Ultraboost and the Web DNA and the Ultra 4D lineup are, in my opinion, some of the coolest looking shoes ever made. And this certainly falls into that same category. But then again, the Web DNA variant, in my opinion, is one of the least known, least popular lineups in the Adidas Ultraboost or the Ultra 4D 3D printed sole lines. So you can see many iterations, like 22 or 23 iterations of Ultraboost shoes, and at least 4 or 5 iterations of the 3D printed sole. But this Web DNA is a lineup that I haven't seen anybody in my city wearing, so it has got going for that. Here is the sole. You can see the 3D printed. You can see the 3D printed rib cage type skeleton that covers the Boost midsole from all sides. And according to Adidas, they claim that it will increase the bounce and the rigidity of the Boost midsole. This pair of shoes that I bought is one size large than what I normally wear because I couldn't find one in my size, and and just as I expected, like almost every Ultra Boost shoe that I have worn so far, they have a very small, extremely tiny footwell, and because the tongue is a part of the upper, it is an integrated part of the upper. Uh, Putting your feet in is quite a task. It is quite hard. Even in this pair of shoes that are one size larger, putting your feet can be quite hard. But once it is in, it is one of the most comfortable pair of shoes that you will ever wear. Here is how they look on my feet. I am wearing 2 colors of socks just so that you can see how they feel. There's a lot of flex, a lot of bounce, and it is extremely comfortable. Not to mention, it looks extremely stylish. It is eye-catching from even a glance, and even people who are not exactly sneaker fans, sneakerheads, will turn eyes. It will turn heads wherever you go. That's almost guaranteed, especially in this color. I like the aerodynamic profile. I like the sleekness of these shoes. I like the heel support and the pull tab, integrated pull tab at the back. Uh, but what I don't like, the only thing that I don't like about these shoes, and it is a pretty major thing, is that they have quite a actually massive footprint. The footprint of the shoe is, especially at the back, is quite large, and I like my shoes to be as small as they are sleek. The sleekness should be mirrored in their small footprint, and this is not one of those. It has quite a large footprint, which makes it appear larger than what it actually is. And I don't want my feet to appear abnormally large because I'm a small guy. But other than that, these shoes turn heads everywhere they go, so I guess they absolutely serve their purpose as what Adidas markets them to be, lifestyle shoes. So yeah, that's about it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.